kapuso, this is Kakai and welcome to our first day of rehearsal. Grabe, ang intense ng rehearsal namin with Coach MJ. Ayun, sobrang pagod na nung legs ko pero kasi masaya dahil parang nagtutulungan kami dito sa opening prod, which is kailangan talaga mag-give ng power talaga. Kahit pagod na yung legs ko, talagang binibigay ko kasi syempre, to train myself din. It's super fun po kasi parang yun nga, nagtutulungan kami, lalo na pag may late na dumating, parang turo-turuan na lang. And I think it's not like competition talaga yung feeling, but it's like more of a family helping each other out and growing together. I'm really excited with our first performance. Syempre, it's really new to me, so I really want to step out of my comfort zone. So talagang, syempre mag-grow, mag-improve as a dancer and as an artist. You know?
Stars on the floor!